Stalking is still not criminalized in many countries, so it's important to know how to protect yourself on an everyday level. Stalkers may install spyware on your phone.
Excuse me, can I make a call from your phone? Mine just died.
Sure. Or even wait for a chance to grab your handbag somewhere in a bar to slip in the Bluetooth tracker. To prevent this from happening, follow these guidelines from anti-stalking organizations. Firstly, avoid sharing too much on social media. If you regularly tag the location of your favorite coffee shop, it could be easy for someone to figure out where you often hang out. Secondly, admit to yourself that there's a chance you're being watched. Sometimes, even casual flirtation can gradually turn into obsessive and intrusive behavior. Don't forget about your technical setup. Install an app that will show you if there's any suspicious activity on your phone and if there are any tracking devices nearby. Do some prep work. Agree on a code word with your friends and family for a call or message that lets them know when they should help.